Okay, Kuya Romel Toronto viewers, today is day 2 of the snow in Toronto for 2025. Today is November 10, 2025. Here we are, the daily routine, removal of snow. Brush din kapag may time. There you go. Life in Canada or life in North America. So you drive the car, make sure you remove the snow, or else you cannot drive it, you cannot see anything. There you go. Shout out to all One Mason viewers, FNF, One Mason Toronto, to all Pinoy kababayan, subscribers, classmates and friends, Kuya Ngateng, Judera. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. There you go. It's coming out. Almost done. Thank you for watching. Or driving the JDM number 1. A 14 years old vehicle still surviving winter, summer, fall, and spring weather in Toronto. Okie dokie. JDM number 1, made in Japan. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now and be safe.